channel, and thanks so much for stopping by. So today is chicken and dumpling day, and I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Don't forget to click on that notification just in case when I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay, so over medium heat, I'm going to warm up 2 tablespoons of some grapeseed oil. And I have 2 pounds of some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I cut those up into cubes. And I'm going to season the chicken up really quick with some sea salt and some black pepper. You want to make sure that your meat tastes really good. And you just want to grab a wooden spoon or whatever you have that's handy, and you want to just stir up your chicken for about 5 to 10 minutes and just cook it and just brown it up just so that your chicken pieces are fully cooked. Now in the same pot, I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped carrots and 1 cup of chopped onions. And I'm just taking a spoon and sauteing the vegetables, cooking them until they're nice and soft, and that should take about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add 3 chopped garlic cloves. And just take that same spoon and continue to saute. Now that my vegetables are nice and soft, I'm ready to add in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm just going to stir it around, making sure that the butter is fully melted into the vegetables. And this is going to be part of the base that's going to create the thickness for the chicken and dumpling sauce. So right now I added 6 tablespoons of flour, and I'm just going to continue to stir, making sure that the flour is completely dissolved. Now I'm ready to add 6 cups of chicken broth into the pot, and I probably should have added the chicken before I added the broth. It really doesn't matter because it's still going to turn out delicious. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and add that chicken that I browned up earlier. All the chicken is in the pot, and now I'm going to add a half a cup of some heavy cream just to add some richness, and a half a teaspoon of some dried thyme. And just continue to stir the dumpling sauce, making sure that there's no lumps or no bumps. And at this point you want to add 1 package of some frozen peas. So give it a good stir, and while it's simmering, it's going to continue to thicken up. So while it's cooking, let's go ahead and get started on the dumplings. So in a separate large bowl, I've already measured out 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in some sea salt and some black pepper. And at the very end, I'm going to add 1 1/3 cup of heavy cream. So in the beginning, I'm just going to use a spoon just to kind of get everything started, but at some point I'm going to put the spoon away and use my clean hands. Make sure your hands are clean, and I'm just going to just dive in and begin mixing up the dough, making sure that everything is combined completely. So you guys, if you haven't, or if you've never had chicken and dumplings, basically it's a deconstructed chicken pot pie. So if you love chicken pot pie, you absolutely love chicken and dumplings. So as you can see, I'm just, taking my hands and just forming a dough or a ball of dough. And this is what's going to go into the sauce that we made earlier. And once everything's done, this is what it's going to look like. So let's go over to the stove and begin making some dumplings. So the way I like to make my chicken and dumplings is I like to use a ice cream scoop and form little balls and put them into the sauce. Now there are many various ways on how to make it. You can roll out the dough with a rolling pin and cut them into squares and put that into the sauce. So you can choose whatever method that you like or that you prefer. Like I said before, it's all going to turn out delicious. And at the very end, I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of some fresh parsley, just to add some freshness to the pot. So the chicken and dumplings are going to continue to simmer and cook for 30 minutes, or at least until the dumplings are fully cooked. And as they cook, you will see that the sauce will continue to thicken up. So after 30 minutes of cooking, this is what the chicken and dumplings are gonna look like. The dumplings are fluffy and the sauce is creamy and thick. So make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. And we are done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. Take a picture, tag me, follow me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments section down below and let me know what you think. So if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and click that subscriber button down there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.